Hi girls, today I will explain to you how to put a wig on and to obtain a completely gorgeous and undetectable result. So if it's the first time that you receive your Comme un Diadème piece, you can put the part line on one side or another, because it will help you to break the symmetry and don't have a wig effect. If the part line is here, it will be less symmetric like this, like wig effect. I don't know if you know what I mean. If your hair is close to the wig color and length, you can put the wig directly on your head. But if it's not, you can use a wig cap to put your hair inside the wig cap. So first step, you open the two clips that are inside the wig. So this one is open like this. You open it and you remove the hair that is stuck inside, if there is, and you take the central comb. You take some of your hair like this because you will use it later, and you do this. After, you take the wig like a cap, like a bonnet, and then you adjust. You take one clip, you close this clip. You take the other clip on the left part and you close it. And after you check, you need to take your hair and put them in front of the wig. And here your hair, we need to see your hair on your hairline, because it's this that will make really natural and undetectable result. You see, it's all the difference when you can see my hairline. So here the result is already beautiful. You can add some curl to your wig, like here there is, because if the wig is not cut at all, if there is no hairstyle, you can have a sort of wig effect. So it's important to bring the piece at a hairdresser or ask Comme un Diadème cut or bangs option when you order the piece, because with bangs, if you have not a lot of hair here, it will be easier to hide this part, because sometimes the wig can go a bit backwards, sorry. So it's less stressful when there is something to hide this, or you can put some hair fiber if you are stressed a bit. But it's even not visible, but it's just to be sure that everything is perfect. I'm a bit perfectionist. So like this, you take your hair. You can even do this kind of hairstyle with a hairpin, or on the other hand, and put some hair fiber here if needed, or bangs. Bangs is always a perfect solution to have undetectable result. Now, over the other context, you want to wear a wig that is very different in color or texture or length or everything. You will need to put a wig cap. So you can buy this kind of thing on Amazon. It will allow you to hide your hair under the wig, sorry, my French is coming back. It's important that you buy one with hole for me, because it's easier to put your hair flat like this. It's better to do this than put a big thing here or here, because it will change the shape of your head. Even under the wig it can be detectable. So it's better to put your hair the way it's flat. Even if you have a lot of hair, I think it's better to make a flat movement with your hair than something like this or like this. Still same thing, you open the clip, it's a lace wig, so there is no central comb on it. And you put the wig on the frontal border, even a bit like this, because it will move backward while you put it on. And then you adjust at your central border. And you clip the two clips here. The two ear tab clips, and then you adjust at your central border. It's important not like this and not like this, like this, like this, like this. And then you remove your hair here, 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 to be sure that if someone with eagle eyes look at your frontal hairline, you will only see your hair. You can also ask for a haircut, like curtain bangs or long curtain bangs or classic bands on Comme Diadème. It will avoid all this work. But yeah, really beautiful and natural result, and you can cut some face framing here to have a perfect result. So I hope that you like this video. Don't hesitate to check the other tutorials video on the playlist, and see you soon in my next videos.